Hello students. Welcome to Teachusmart. Let's continue our journey through mensuration. Today, we are going to see an application problem based on the area of a polygon. We know, for finding the area of a polygon, we divide it into quadrilaterals, or triangles whose area can be calculated by the standard formulas. Let's see it through an example. Find the area of the given polygon ABCDEF GHIJ. If JC parallel to ID and HE parallel to GF, AB equals 10 centimeters, BC equals 5 centimeters, DE equals 5 centimeters, ID equals 20 centimeters, and JP equals GQ equals 2 centimeters. Given a polygon ABCDEF GHIJ with JC parallel to ID and HE parallel to GF, AB equals 10 centimeters, BC equals 5 centimeters, DE equals 5 centimeters, ID equals 20 centimeters, JP equals GQ equals 2 centimeters. Since JC parallel to ID and HE parallel to GF, both JCDI and HEFG are trapeziums. Also from figure, we can say that the quadrilaterals ABCJ and IDEH are rectangles because their angles are 90 degrees. Now we get two trapeziums, JCDI and HEFG, and two rectangles, ABCJ and IDEH. Then the area of the polygon ABCDEFGHIJ is the sum of the areas of trapeziums JCDI and HEFG and rectangles ABCJ and IDEH. We know that the area of a trapezium is half h into a plus b, where a and b are parallel sides and h be the perpendicular distance between them. So in trapezium JCDI, JC equals a equals 10 centimeters, ID equals b equals 20 centimeters, and JP equals h equals 2 centimeters. Therefore, area of trapezium JCDI equals 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 plus 20 equals 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 30 equals 30 square centimeters. Since trapezium JCDI and HEFG are of the same measures, so they have the same area. So the area of trapezium HEFG is also equal to 30 square centimeters. We know the area of a rectangle is LB, where L is the length and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Then, in rectangle ABCJ, AB equals L equals 10 centimeters. And BC equals B equals 5 centimeters. Therefore, the area of rectangle ABCJ equals 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50 square centimeters. In rectangle IDEH, ID equals L equals 20 centimeters, DE equals B equals 5 centimeters. Therefore, the area of the rectangle IDEH equals 20 multiplied by 5 equals 100 square centimeters. Now the area of the polygon equals area of trapezium JCDI plus area of trapezium HEFG plus area of a rectangle ABCJ plus area of the rectangle IDEH equals 30 plus 50 plus 100 equals 210 square centimeters. Before winding up, let's check how much you understood by doing an activity. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC, and both of them are perpendicular to BC. If AB equals 16 centimeters, DC equals 8 centimeters, and AD equals 17 centimeters, then what is the area of the trapezium? That's all for now. See you all in the next class with another interesting chapter.